Well, not often we get a winter storm warning when we're actually in spring.
Yeah, mid-April, this is not typical weather at all. It is going to be very messy all weekend. Now, all week long, we've been talking about the weekend.
Right.
We have a big system coming through. We're expecting heavy rain. With each passing day as that has gotten closer, temperatures looking colder and colder and colder. So now it's not going to be a pure rain event anymore.
Okay.
We have a winter storm warning in effect.
Something to keep an eye on for sure.
It is a complicated forecast. We could see some icy conditions for our northern counties. I'll break it all down. Have a look. Winter storm warning is in place. That includes Eaton, Ingham counties, Clinton County, as well as Ionia, Shiawassee, and Gratiot a little bit further north. Of course, this extends almost all the way to the tip of the northern lower. And this is basically for noon Saturday through noon Sunday. Notice our southern half is not in the winter storm category. Further south will be almost entirely rain here, but these counties in the pink could see some more sleet or even some minor sleet accumulation, some freezing rain moments. It will result in some dangerous travel as we go later on into Saturday. But for today, still Friday evening, catching more rain north, pretty much as expected. Scattered rainfall will be on and off throughout the remainder of our evening. It does become a bit more widespread and heavy as we get later on into the evening and into tonight. Temperatures are complicated, much like yesterday. Cooler north, warmer south, but look at the difference. Low 40s, St. John's. It was 70 a moment ago in Hillsdale. Yeah, well above average south, well below average north. I mean, this is part of our complication. Through tomorrow, it'll be a little bit similar, warmer south, so more rain south, more wintry further north. It's not a simple forecast. As we look around the region, more of the same. That cold air is on our doorstep. It's moving in with this north wind, and as we zoom out, you see this system has wide-ranging impacts. Winter storm, blizzard for a lot of the South Dakota, the northern plains here, and not too far away, just ahead of it, severe thunderstorms. Look at these watches and warnings. The red blizzard warning, pink and winter storm warning, that of course includes us, but there's your yellow tornado watch. I mean, this is a wide impact of a system here. So rain and storms tonight. We're bound to hear some thunder at the top of your weather headlines here. Rainy Saturday. Could even see rounds of heavy rainfall, but depending on those temperatures, our northern counties, which could easily include the Lansing area and a little bit further north, that could see some more sleet or ice, some freezing rain conditions. Even a small amount, we all know this, can result in some slippery roads. Cold and windy. Even if you're seeing all rain, it is going to be well below average. So let's go through our model. Your future track showing more rainfall later this evening. Notice some of the oranges and reds could be popping up. Some rounds of heavier rain. Might hear some rumbles of thunder. Into the overnight, more widespread rain. This is not just a few scattered showers. We could see some rounds of long-lasting heavy rain. There you go, more oranges, more reds. That's heavier precipitation. Into Saturday morning, still more of the same. Now notice the change. Temperatures will be dropping throughout the day, so you see some of the pink there. Could see some mix, but I think by about noon, which is when the winter storm warning starts, it'll become a bit more noticeable for wintry mix or some freezing rain, and that'll be the story all the way through Saturday. More rain south. It's not perfectly clear, cut and dry, but I do think more rain south. It's just those northern counties could see a bit more of the mix. That continues through Saturday night, and into Sunday should be mostly rain again. And notice, could see some more heavy rain as we go through. By later on into Monday's forecast, that actually could turn into a little bit more of a snowy situation. 35 tonight, heavy rain, some storms, increasingly breezy. Tomorrow gets us up to only about 39, 40 degrees, and that's probably early in the day, and temperatures dropping throughout the day results in some heavy rain, but it could mix with some sleet or icy conditions north with very gusty winds. Have a look at your 7-day forecast. We stay cool for a while, but tomorrow is the day of interest. Yes, it will be rainy regardless. That's a given. But if you're in those northern counties, do be prepared for some sleet, slippery roads, and there could even be some minor accumulation of things like the sleet and even small amounts. It does make for dangerous travel.
Yeah, it certainly does. Take it nice and easy, or don't go out if you don't have to. Probably the best advice.
Definitely good advice. And a quick glance, we do have our Fox 47 Storm Shield app. Keep an eye on it. It's free, and just earlier today I got that notification saying, hey, winter storm warning in your area. It's very good for that kind of thing, and you'll want to pay close attention to the weather all weekend long.
All right, Dustin, thank you.